Hey guys, it's me, your girl. So as you can see, I already did my face, and so in today's video, as you read in the title, we're going over the Lunar Beauty palette. Yes, but I got this during the Moon Day sale where you got 25% off, and with the 25% off and with shipping and handling, it came out to be $40 and some cents. And as you can tell, it's called Life's a Drag. So this is what the inside looks like. It comes with all these colors. Hello. And then it comes with a mirror right here, as you can see. But these colors are beautiful. Comes with a dual-ended brush as well. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the Lunar Beauty palette. Like, it's like giant. Recently on my trip to Massachusetts, I got the Soft Glam palette. So let's zoom you in and then let's get right on with the video. And in case you aren't already, be sure and subscribe, like this video, and comment down below any video suggestions or any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, down in the comment section below. So yeah, let's go. So now that we are up close and personal, let's get right into the palette. So first, before we get started in our little makeup world, I'm first going to be priming my eyes with the Morphe eyeshadow primer base. Okay, so now our little eyeshadow primer is on. I'm first going to take this Fenty Beauty eyeshadow brush from her holiday collection, and I'm going to be dipping into Cake Face here to set my eyeshadow, or not eyeshadow, primer. Okay, now that that is all set and whatever, I'm going to be taking Kiki on my Elizabeth Mott tapered blending eyeshadow brush. Can you see that? I don't know. And I'm going to be throwing that in my crease. Okay. Looking pretty good so far. I'm just going to be continuing building up the color a bit to see if I can deepen it. Okay, and now I'm going to be doing the same thing I did here on this eye. So as you can see that this eye is a little bit deeper and richer in the blue, and this is just like a pale wash. So you can't build up the color. So far, this like does not have any patchiness whatsoever. It's blending out fabulous. So I forgot to hit record, so I'm just gonna catch you guys up. I went in with Fishy right here, Fishy, and I had put that on my lid, and it created a little bit of fallout on my face, so that's why there's now powder on my face, but I'll get into that later. So I had put Fishy on my lid and then in a little bit into my crease to blend out the edges, and then I took Shady right here and I just did a little bit on a little rounded off brush, this little guy right here, and I put it right in my outer V to deepen that up, to make it real pop. And then I had put baking powder underneath my eyes to like lighten up the blue fallout. So that's basically what I did. I'm real angry with myself that I forgot to hit start on the thing. And I just now realized after I had already finished the eye look, and I'm upset. Good job, Lily. So now I'm just letting this baking powder sit for a while. So now that I've waited for this bake to be on for about like 5 minutes, I'm just going to roof it away. So I'm now going to be taking the Shape Tape, Tarte Shape Tape concealer and putting it on this little itty bitty brush, and I'm going to try and fix up my little boo-boo. And it's now picking up all the product that was right there. So this tutorial is going to poop. All going down the drain. I don't care if I accidentally messed up. Accidents happen. So I'm going to pull through it. I'm going to finish this tutorial because that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm now going to be taking Sickening right here, this brown one right here, and I'm just taking that on a little fluff of fluff. So now I'm going to be taking my little rounded boy here, and I'm going to go into Mug, which is this one right here. So, and then I'm going to go back into Shady right here. I'm just gonna get a little bit and put it right on the outer corner. Great. Look, Sickening. Ew, what is that? Who punched me in the face? Okay. We kinda saved it, kinda didn't. So we kinda saved it. So now I'm going to take Beat, which is this little bad boy right here, this pinky. And am I gonna put on eyeliner? Do I wanna mess this look up even more? Do I? No. So I'm just going to quickly wrap up by curling my lashes and throwing on some lipstick and putting on mascara. So I will be back and I will make sure to turn on the camera. This came out very pretty, and in case you didn't know, blue's my favorite color. Hi. So thank you guys for watching, and my final thoughts on this is that it's a really good palette. Like, it's beautiful, it's amazing, it blends wonderfully, and that's all I gotta say. It blends amazing. So if you guys really liked this video, or if you just liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about the palette, or what you think about my eyeshadow look, and also just leave a comment and be sure and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.